Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox Gameshare or Xbox game sharing if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm using my PC. You could do this on your phone or console if it's got a browser. Okay, now go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, and here just type in account.live.com. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, it might ask you to log in. Just gotta log in with your Microsoft account. And then once done, you go to the left panel and here, go ahead and click on subscriptions. Okay, wait for it. And in this section, you should be able to find your current Xbox subscription. Okay, for example, you have the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Just gotta click on manage. And then in the next page, you'll be able to see an option to turn off recurring billing. Okay, so just click on it. And then in the next page, just go and scroll down until you find the section, find the right Game Pass, okay? And then here you will have the blue button that says turn off recurring billing. So just click on it and then follow the simple prompts. And once that's done, if you have your console opened, restart it, okay? Again, restart. And once done, game sharing should be available now and it should be fixed. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.